Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, now I will presentation our paper. The title is Law Enforcement of Land Transfer from Agricultural Land to Housing in Indonesia. My name is Yeni Widawati from Master of Law Program Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta.
Yeah, and my name is Triyono from Agricultural Faculty. Yeah, we know that almost all region experience a decline in agricultural land area. At this time, the possibility of agricultural land is reduced more because in 2017, so a number of hotels and also housing of officers. Based on this data, we know that the total area of agricultural land in the Yogyakarta appeared decreasing since 2010 to 2015. One of reason for the issuance of Yogyakarta Province Special Region Regulation number 10 of 2011 is that the conversion of agricultural land in Yogyakarta is very worrying, especially in Bantul and Sleman region. Various policies related to the problem of controlling the conversion of agricultural land, mainly rice fields, have been made. However, its implementation is less effective because it is not supported by adequate data and proactive attitude from stakeholders. Besides that, the lack of law enforcement against the perpetrator also trigger the continuity of agricultural land conversion. So the problem in this research is the first is the implementation of the conversion of agricultural land for housing in accordance with applicable regulation. And the second now is the law enforcement against the violation of the use of sustainable food agricultural land that is used for housing the special regions of Yogyakarta. It is about the research method. This research using social legal research. The type of data in the study is primary and secondary data. That the data were from parties involved as the object of research or from field research. About result and discussion, we know that Yogyakarta Special Region Agriculture Office said that the conversion of productive agricultural land in Yogyakarta reached more than 250 hectares per year. It has become an obstacle in increasing agricultural output because of diminishing land. As a result, various efforts to reduce land conversion have been made. On average, this land was converted to build housing, shop house, and other facilities outside agriculture. Every year, change in the land use in the province cover an area of 200 hectares. One of the reasons is the absence of provincial special planning and detailed special planning in the Kansas all municipalities in the special region of Yogyakarta.
From this table, it can be seen that every year there has been a decrease in land, both agricultural and non-agricultural, from 2015 until 2016. The data for 2017 has not been included, but from the research result, it is found that there is an increase in the establishment of hotel and housing. So, what are the sanctions for the Violation. The three building owners were given warning letter up to 3 times and they submitted the letter to Satpol PP. Law enforcement against violation of the use of agricultural land for housing in Special Region of Yogyakarta. We have 5 factors of legal effectiveness. The first, legal factors. The second, law enforcement factors. The third, factors of facilities. 4, community factors. And 5, cultural factors. In the framework of criminal law enforcement, Indonesia already has law number 41 of 2009 concerning the protection of sustainable food agricultural land. According to Article 46, individuals who transfer the sustainable agricultural land shall be sentenced the maximum imprisonment of 5 years. And according to Article 47, if every government official or regional official sanction 5 years. Until now, there have never been any violators of the Convention of Agricultural Land who have been given criminal sanction. Conclusion. First, the implementation of this regulation has, in principle, all been applied both to the requirement for the conversion of agricultural land, permits, and spatial use. However, illegal building occupants still occur. The Sleman local government has even implemented a moratorium on agricultural land use for hotel construction. And second, law enforcement against violation of the use sustainable agricultural land that is used for offices and housing in Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta has not been carried out optimally. Although administratively there have been some action, the law has never been fully implemented. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.